Before the answers, before the conversations, before AI could speak, humans built the machine. But how? Let's go inside the system. First comes data, oceans of data, books and code from everywhere, articles, science, conversations, human knowledge floating in the air. But machines don't understand language, not like people, not like minds. Every word becomes a number, that's where intelligence begins to rise. Text to tokens, piece by piece, breaking language mathematically. Every sentence split apart, turning words to digital art. That's how the machine learns, patterns hidden in the words. LLM, large language model, built from data deep below. Millions, billions training deep. Neural networks never sleep. Prediction powers every line. That's how AI comes alive. What is an LLM? LLM means large language model, a giant brain built to know how humans write and humans speak, how ideas connect and flow. Every token has embeddings, vectors moving through the space. Similar meanings stay connected inside a mathematical place. King and queen become related, doctor links to medicine. Language turns to pure dimensions, that's where learning now begins. Build up transformers, layers stacked like digital neurons. Attention systems reading context. Transformers change the AI world, helping models learn what comes next. Attention looks at every word, finding meaning left and right. Context flowing through the network, turning patterns into light. Drop LLM transformers. Attention networks, learn, predict, generate. Now the model starts, it's training, guessing words again and again. If it fails, the weights get updated. Backpropagation shapes the brain, billions of parameters changing. Tiny adjustments every run, GPUs burning through the clusters. Massive computations never done. Days become weeks, weeks become months. Training deep inside the core, until the LLM understands patterns better than it did before. Forward pass, backward flow, error signals help it grow. Lost functions guide the way, teaching systems every day. That's how the machine learns, from probability and words. LLMs train through massive scale, learning language detail by detail. Every answer generated based on patterns calculated. Human knowledge mathematically tied inside the AI mind. Now you type a prompt or question, the LLM reads what you just wrote. Token by token it predicts what response has the highest vote. Not by memory like a human, not by thoughts or inner dreams. It calculates probabilities inside enormous hidden streams. Temperature controls creativity, context windows store the flow. Inference happens in milliseconds, that's how modern chatbots know. AI cannot feel emotion, it cannot truly understand. No self-awareness, no real consciousness, only patterns built by human hands. But still it changes industries, medicine, coding, art and space. A tool more powerful than ever, transforming every human life. This is how the machine learns, how the modern LLM works. Neural networks train through time, turning language into lines. Transformers change the future fast, build through computation. The future of AI started with human curiosity.